very complicated. Don't try to find answers because when you find answers, life changes the questions. 25 years old US man became infected with two different strains of the novel coronavirus in less than 2 months, according to a study published in The Lancet. The second infection was more severe and resulted in hospitalization with oxygen support. Our findings signal that the previous SARS-CoV-2 infection may not necessarily protect against future infection, the study's lead author said. Herd immunity approach ethically problematic, not an option. WHO head Tedros warned against deliberately allowing COVID-19 to spread for herd immunity, calling the approach scientifically and ethically problematic. It's used for vaccination in which population can be protected from virus if a threshold of vaccination is reached, he said. It's achieved by protecting people from virus, not by exposing them to it. It's not an option, he added. Expecting COVID-19 vaccine by early 2021 from more than one source. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan on Tuesday said we are expecting that early next year we should have the COVID-19 vaccine in the country from maybe more than one source. He added that expert group are formulating strategies to plan how to roll out the distribution of the vaccine in the country. India has reported 71,71,880 COVID-19 cases so far. COVID-19 recoveries in India crossed 62 lakh. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 71,75,880 as 55,342 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 1,09,856, while 62,27,295 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 8,38,729 are currently active. UP police allow buffalo to find its real owner to solve theft case. Police in Uttar Pradesh Kannauj solved a buffalo theft case by allowing the animal to find its real owner. A man named Virendra alleged that another person, Dharmendra, stole the buffalo and stole it. When both of them called out of the buffalo after being asked by the police, the buffalo responded to Dharmendra's call and ignored Virendra. Tanishq pulls ad showing Hindu woman married into Muslim family after backlash. Titan company-owned jewelry brand Tanishq has withdrawn a 45-second ad showcasing a Hindu woman married into a Muslim family. The ad showed a Muslim family preparing a traditional Hindu baby shower ceremony for their pregnant Hindu daughter-in-law. Several people called for a boycott of Tanishq, alleging the ad promoted love jihad and fake secularism. Malayalam actor Tovino Thomas, who was admitted to a hospital in Kochi after sustaining injuries during the shooting of Kala, has been discharged from the hospital. The actor took to Instagram on Monday to share a card made by his children. Thanking doctors and the hospital staff, Tovino wrote, "The incident hopefully makes me take better care of myself." CSK share pictures of fans' house painted in yellow and named home of Tony Fan. CSK took to their official Twitter account to share pictures of a super fan's house painted in yellow and named home of Tony Fan. CSK wrote, "Super fan Gopi Krishnan and his family in Arangur, Tamil Nadu call their residence home of Tony Fan, and rightly so." It added, "A super duper tribute that fills our hearts with yellow." Hat-trick for how it started, how it's going meme. Mumbai Indians all-rounder Krunal Pandya took to social media to share throwback pictures with his brother Hat-trick Pandya for the how it started, how it's going meme. In the how it started part, Krunal and Hat-trick can be seen holding trophies during their childhood. In the how it's going, the duo can be seen holding the IPL trophy. Cristiano Ronaldo tests positive for COVID-19. Cristiano Ronaldo has tested positive for coronavirus while on international duty with Portugal. The 35-year-old Juventus attacker was due to face Sweden with his national side on Wednesday and UEFA Nations League, but has been released from camp after his positive test. The Portuguese Football Federation said that Ronaldo is asymptomatic and in isolation. Peacock spiders sometimes wear water droplets as hat to impress potential mates. The inventor of Vaseline, Mr. Robert, ate a spoonful of the stuff every single day. You can eat 24-karat gold without getting ill. As pure gold is chemically insert, it will pass through the body and eliminate as a waste. Buy fuel early in the morning during summers. As the temperature increases, the fuel expands, the density decreases, and you get less of it for the money you pay. Starbucks has a 10-minute rule. The rule requires each store to open its door 10 minutes before the posted opening time and close 10 minutes after the posted closing time.